Bake this one around 30 to 35 minutes in 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit na oven.
Sweet house, oh sweet house, sweet house. Sweet house, oh sweet house, sweet house.
Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, we will be doing carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Okay? For the carrot cake, I have here my carrots, all-purpose flour, cinnamon, baking soda, I have my brown sugar, muscovado sugar, I have cashew nuts, and my eggs. Also the vegetable oil. For my cream cheese frosting, I have cream cheese, confectioner sugar, and my non-dairy whipping cream. Okay? So, let's bake first the carrot cake. No need ng mixer. So, in your bowl, mix in your dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and yung dalawang sugar. I have here brown sugar and my muscovado. If you cannot find muscovado sugar, you can use coconut sugar or pwede nyo ilahat na brown. Okay? So, kung walang makitang muscovado, pwede naman all brown sugar. Okay? Then, after the dry ingredients, make a well at the center and then put your vegetable oil, eggs, and then mix again. And then, fold your carrots and your cashew nuts. So, pwedeng cashew nuts, pwedeng walnuts, or pecans. If you notice, mas malalaki yung grate ko ng carrots para yung juice nandyan pa rin. Kasi if too small, naiiwan yung juice. Then, your cashew nuts. Yan, done na. After that, transfer nyo siya sa 8 by 2 inches baking pan, round pan. Yan. Yan. So, bake this one at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, mga 30 to 35 minutes. Okay? So, while binibake si cake, let's do the cream cheese frosting. Okay? So, mix first your cream cheese. Kailangan soft na si cream cheese and your confectioner sugar. Okay? Mix this one around 10 minutes and then saka natin i-add si whipping cream. So, here's our carrot cake. Lagyan muna natin siya ng filling and then okay. Then after that, yung sobrang frosting, kulayan natin ng green and orange. I use gel color. Okay. Then, lagay mo sa poinsettia na tip or tip number 350. 350 ba to? Yeah, 350. Or poinsettia tip. Okay. Yan. The other one is orange naman. Okay. Lagay natin kay round tip. Pwede si tip number 7 or number 10. Now, let's pipe the carrot on top of the cake para may design. Yeah, there you have it, our carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking! Yeah, there you have it, guys. Our carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget.